How to fix MS Outlook not responding error. So if the Microsoft Outlook app is basically not responding in your case and then you'd like to fix that error, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Because all you have to do is go ahead and whenever you're launching the Microsoft Outlook app, maybe it's not working or you're having some kind of issues or whatever else it is right here, you want to first of all simply go to help section and here you can see get diagnostics. So you can just click on this option and see you can click on the send diagnostics option to collect any sort of data that you might have and see if you have any sort of issues with that. You can also go to the settings option right here and you can go to the mail option or so on and see if you have any sort of issues with your account settings right here. So you can just try to go ahead and then fill this out. You can also try to uninstall and reinstall the Outlook application. So in the search bar, you can just go ahead and search for Outlook, right click on it, and then click on the uninstall button and reinstall the Microsoft Outlook app to see if that helps you solve the problem. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.